So guys, here it is, the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro. So let's get started. So guys, here they are, and as you can see that right in front of me I have Galaxy Buds Pro, and these are the serial number of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Basically they are the RM190, which is international version. Basically it is imported from Dubai. So here they are, and let's do the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro. So let's have a cutter. And let's do the unboxing of Galaxy Buds Pro. So guys, in here you'll get a booklet from Samsung, and you'll have a quick start guide in it, and you'll have and here you can see that Samsung provides us a quick start guide and a warranty card with it. So overall the packaging of this thing is really very good, and the unboxing experience is also very good. Now let's get our Galaxy Buds Pro, and here they are in their full glory. So let's take them out and start unboxing them. So this is the protective shield on our Galaxy Buds Pro. Let's remove it, and here you can see them with marvelous black color. Now we'll open this small box in it. So now let's open this box. So here, as you can see, that Samsung has given us a USB Type-C cable for charging it, and there's a small box in which you can get your ear tips as well. So there are 3 types of ear tips for different sizes of ear canals. So kindly do take a minute and try to adjust them according to your ears to get a good sound from them. So this was all included in it, and this is the content of the package, and this is what you'll get in your Galaxy Buds Pro's box. So the unboxing experience was really good, and the attention to detail Samsung has put in this thing is really amazing, especially that matte finish in it. On its case, it's feeling really awesome, and overall the build quality of the case is also really very good. And here you can see that this is the Type-C port for charging, and this is the circular area for the wireless charging, and this is the LED indicator, and it's the Samsung logo. So let's open it. So these are the actual earbuds which will provide you the sound that Samsung promises. Let's put them out. So here you can see that Samsung has given a few sensors and a grill for the perfect fit and the indication of its fit. So these are the ear tips, and here you can see the speakers as well, and this is how you can clean your earbuds. And you can see that there is a filter present in the ear tips as well for better sound, and putting them on is really very easy. And here you can see that they have the touch controls on the above side. Now let's put them back on the case. And here we can see their magnets as well, and you can see that the magnet of the Galaxy Buds Pro is pretty strong. Even you can see that I am jiggling them and nothing is happening to them. So the magnet is pretty strong. Here you can see the force. Here you can see the force acting on them. So the magnets are pretty strong. And this is how they close, and that feel is really awesome. So the hinge is also very much refined this time. So thank you Samsung for it. And this was all about the video, and I'll upload the review of the Galaxy Buds Pro sooner, so stay tuned for it, and let's see how they're gonna fit on you and how they look. So guys, here they are, and let's open them and see how they're gonna wear and look. So let's see how they're gonna look. So as you can see that this thing has the right one, so we'll put the right one in the right direction, and these are the left one, and we'll weigh them. So we'll put the case aside and we'll test them. So I have got a perfect fit, and you can see that how they're looking on me. So guys, I do have shorter ears, so as for the fit wise, so the Galaxy Buds Pro do fit very well, but the seal of that ear tips are not that good, so I didn't got the right ear tip. So the Galaxy Buds Pro fitted me well, but the ear tips didn't provide me a good seal. So we will discuss that issue in our next video. So hope you'll get tuned and see that video.